With Samsung's next Unpacked event just weeks away, the anticipation for the Galaxy S25 series is reaching a fever pitch. Among the most buzzed-about models, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. As the flagship device of the 2025 lineup, it's been the subject of numerous leaks and concept renders. Recently, we got our first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra through renders released by Exynos Concept, showcasing the phone in 4 colors: Titanium SilverBlue, Titanium White Silver, Titanium Black, and Titanium Gray. These sleek designs had everyone talking. But shortly after Christmas, renowned leaker Exynos took to X to call out a mistake. The Titanium SilverBlue shade, which was expected to be light blue with hints of gray, appeared much darker in the renders. The leak sparked a bit of confusion, but Exynos Concept quickly made adjustments. The final renders now reflect more accurate color options. In fact, aside from the standard colors, Samsung will also offer exclusive shades to its own lineup, including the Titanium White Silver, Titanium Black, and Titanium Gray. While there's been some criticism regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra's spec updates, the design does feature a subtle but noticeable change. The phone's corners have been rounded slightly, offering a softer, less aggressive aesthetic. This design tweak could give the Ultra a more refined look compared to its predecessors. The Samsung Galaxy S25 will feature 12 gigs of RAM and Snapdragon 8 Elite chips, marking significant news for buyers outside the United States. This development provides 2 major updates for Samsung fans globally. Both the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra have already been confirmed to include the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Now, the latest Geekbench listing for the standard Galaxy S25 reinforces the expectation that Samsung will skip Exynos in its flagship lineup this year, even in Europe. Snapdragon 8 Elite. All Galaxy S25 models will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, with no market-dependent variations. Samsung's plan to use the Exynos 2500 was abandoned due to low production yield, resulting in potential profit losses but leaving buyers pleased. Additionally, the Snapdragon 8 Elite used in the Galaxy S25 series will be an overclocked version, offering a slight performance boost over the standard variant found in other Android flagships. Beyond the chipset, the standard Galaxy S25 is expected to come with 12 gigs of RAM as a baseline. This is an upgrade from the Galaxy S24, which starts with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. The S25's base configuration of 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage represents a significant improvement. More RAM ensures smoother and faster performance throughout the day. With AI and Gen artificial intelligence tasks consuming more resources, 8 gigs may fall short for maintaining seamless functionality. Samsung's haptics, fingerprint, and touch technologies used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra reportedly remain unchanged in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The latest findings reveal key details about the core components of the upcoming S25 Ultra. Galaxy S24 Ultra debuted an enhanced fingerprint sensor, 3D Sonic Gen 2 from Qualcomm, which is likely to be retained in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The haptics, vibration, motor is also unchanged from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Android Code Detective assembled debug also reveals the identity of ambient light sensor, TOF sensor, DisplayPort, and touch chip used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. S25 Ultra haptics, fingerprint, touch, and more details revealed. Haptics: CS40L26. Fingerprint: QXS4008 3D Sonic Gen 2. Ambient light sensor: SKT6D2X. TOF sensor: VL53L8. DisplayPort: NB7VPQ904M 1.4. Touch chip: Synaptics_S3916-SPI. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changer, bringing exciting enhancements to display technology and durability. Stay tuned as we dive into 2 major updates about Samsung's upcoming flagship. Let's start with the display. Samsung is set to redefine smartphone displays with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Recent leaks suggest that the device's screen could achieve an astonishing peak brightness of 3000 nits, surpassing the Galaxy S24 Ultra's already impressive 2600 nits. While early rumors indicated no significant OLED advancements, Samsung has instead refined its existing display technology by incorporating additional features. Now let's talk about the next-level durability. Samsung also aims to elevate durability standards with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to renowned tipster Exynos, the phone will debut the second-generation Gorilla Glass armor. This advanced glass is designed to protect the display while retaining its anti-reflective capabilities. Although specific details about the improvements in shatter and scratch resistance remain unknown, the new Gorilla Glass armor is anticipated to outperform the version used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. One common complaint from users regarding the S24 Ultra's panel was the gradual wear-off of its oleophobic coating. Hopefully, the next-gen Gorilla Glass will address such concerns, ensuring a longer-lasting and more durable display. With these incredible updates, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of the year. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch, 6.86-inch panel with a resolution of 3120 x 1440, maintaining the sharpness of its predecessor while delivering a more vivid and vibrant experience. This M13 Plus panel promises excellent color reproduction alongside its brightness boost. The phone's taller and narrower design, along with softened corners, is expected to enhance both its elegance and usability. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to feature 5 camera sensors, combining Sony IMX and Samsung ISOCELL technologies. It will have a quad-camera setup on the back and a front camera inside its Infinity O display. Recently, leaked details have revealed the phone's final camera specifications. The S25 Ultra will include 2 Sony IMX sensors for the telephoto and periscope cameras and 3 Samsung ISOCELL sensors for the main, ultra-wide, and selfie cameras. These camera details were uncovered through code analysis by Android researcher Assemble Debug. While individual specs have been leaked earlier, this confirms the full setup in one place. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra camera specs leaked. Primary camera, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 200 megapixel with 2x optical lens zoom. Ultra-wide camera, Samsung ISOCELL Gen 3 50 megapixel. Telephoto camera, Sony IMX 754 to 10 megapixel with 3x optical zoom. Periscope camera, Sony IMX 854 to 50 megapixel with 5x optical zoom. Selfie camera, Samsung ISOCELL 3 LU, 12 megapixel. Compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the primary telephoto, periscope, and selfie cameras remain the same. The only upgrade is the ultra-wide camera, which jumps from 12 megapixel to 50 megapixel. Some believe Samsung should also improve the 10-megapixel 3x zoom camera. Snapdragon 8 Elite enhancements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This chip comes with an upgraded ISP image signal processor, tightly integrated with the Hexagon NPU, offering better performance in photography and videography. Users can expect faster image capture and processing, delivering real-world improvements despite limited camera upgrades. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.